Financial advice that could soon become illegal is under scrutiny as governments worldwide push for tighter regulations. Don't miss out on strategies that may soon be off limits. Impending regulatory changes. Governments are instituting new laws to curb financial misinformation. These changes could impact your investments and savings. Stay informed to protect your financial interests. The rise of digital currencies. With digital currencies gaining traction, traditional financial advice is evolving. Regulation is tightening around crypto investments, which may soon limit certain advisory practices. Tax loopholes closing. Authorities are actively closing tax loopholes, making some tax-saving strategies obsolete. Understand which practices are at risk to adapt your tax planning effectively. Investment strategies under threat. Some investment strategies may fall foul of new regulations. It's crucial to reevaluate your portfolio to ensure compliance while maximizing growth opportunities. Debt management advice. Changes in lending laws could render some debt management advice illegal. Stay updated on how these changes might affect your ability to manage loans and credit effectively. The future of retirement planning. Retirement planning is facing regulatory shifts. Certain advice may soon be restricted, impacting your future financial security. Strategize now to safeguard your retirement. Impact on financial advisors. Financial advisors may face new compliance challenges, altering the advice they can offer. Choose advisors who are proactive in adapting to regulatory landscapes. Shifts in real estate guidance. Real estate investment advice is evolving due to new regulations. Future guidance may change, affecting how you approach property investments and associated risks. Insurance advice overhaul. Insurance policies and advice are under review, with potential new laws on the horizon. Understand these changes to ensure your coverage remains adequate and legal. The role of AI in finance. AI is transforming financial advice, but regulations are catching up. Future laws may restrict AI-driven financial guidance, impacting how you receive financial insights. Consumer protection focus. New regulations emphasize consumer protection, altering financial advice practices. Stay informed about these changes to ensure your financial decisions remain sound. Cross-border financial advice. Advice on international investments may face legal challenges as countries tighten cross-border financial regulations. Know the rules to protect global interests. Ethical financial practices. Ethical concerns are driving regulatory changes in financial advice. Align your financial strategies with these evolving ethical standards to stay ahead. Navigating financial scams. As scams become sophisticated, regulations aim to safeguard consumers. Being aware of these laws can help you avoid fraudulent financial advice and protect assets. Adapting to regulatory changes. To thrive amid changing regulations, adaptability is key. Stay informed, seek professional advice, and be prepared to pivot your financial strategies as needed. Thank you for watching. Stay informed and adapt your financial strategies to upcoming regulatory changes. Don't miss out on valuable advice that may soon be off limits. Take action now. Go to MoneyLens, subscribe, learn, succeed,